Hello, my name is Sarah Kite with UT Extension here in McMinn County. And I'm going to give you a little food safety tip. This time of year, I get calls about coloring Easter eggs. And are those okay to eat? Are they safe for my family to consume? Excuse me. And the answer is maybe, sort of. Tell me more. So if you color Easter eggs and you leave them out on your table as a nice decoration or display, and they're out there for days before Easter, then the answer is no. They're not safe to eat. With your eggs, you want to color them and then eat them. If you're not going to eat them, you want to put them in your refrigerator until it's time to consume them. The general rule of thumb for foods that need to be chilled is 2 hours. So if they've been outside on the counter, on a table for less than 2 hours, then you can go ahead and eat them safely. But if it's been longer than 2 hours, then no. You don't want to eat those foods. They need to stay chilled. So if you're going to hide the colored Easter eggs outside, you want to make sure that you know that eggs have little pores. And if they're outside, you can get debris and dirt, maybe animal feces in the eggs. So you might want to keep them in areas where there's not going to have that contamination happen, or get the plastic eggs that you can fill up with different things to hide outside. If you do have them outside, wash them real good. Less than 2 hours, of course, you can consume them. So 2 hours, the food safety rule for things that need to be chilled to be safe. Call us if you have questions. At the UT Extension office, we'll be happy to help. 745-2852. Thanks. Have a great day.